Goldenseal is an herbaceous perennial and can be found growing naturally in rich, densely shaded, deciduous forests. The plant emerges in early spring from buds that overwinter on the perennial rootstock, growing each year to a height of 8–14 inches. The mature plant has 2 or more erect stems, usually ending in a fork with 2 leaves. The dark green leaf is palmate-shaped with a long petiole and can have 5 to 7 lobes. The margins of the leaves are double-serrated. Leaves can span 3–12 inches in diameter and 3–8 inches in length. A single green berry-like fruit develops, turning red and containing up to 30 black seeds. The seeds, which must always remain moist, may take up to 3 years to germinate. The turmeric-colored rhizome and fibrous roots spread horizontally in the soil and can form a dense mat. If not harvested, the oldest parts of the rhizome eventually decay and the newer material continues to grow outward. Nutritional value. The main bioactive components of goldenseal are thought to be hydrastine, berberine, and canadine, all isoquinoline alkaloids. Amazing health benefits are 1. Gut health. If one suffers from ulcers or irregular bowel movements, the anti-inflammatory capacity of goldenseal can help to get the system back on track. Ulcers, constipation, bloating and cramping can lead to serious health conditions. Its rootstock can help keep the gut healthy and strong. 2. Reduces sinus inflammation. The powdered rootstock of goldenseal was often used as a form of snuff, and it acted to reduce inflammation and infection in the sinus cavities. The strong antimicrobial properties of goldenseal rootstock helped people quickly relieve sinus conditions and prevent ongoing illness. The snuff form of goldenseal rootstock is not as commonly used, but the powdered form can still be purchased in capsule form. 3. Skin care. Antimicrobial and antioxidant properties of goldenseal are very effective for people suffering from skin conditions, such as psoriasis, eczema, acne, or dry skin. Skin infections come in many shapes and sizes, including bacterial, viral, and fungal, but topical salves and tinctures of goldenseal can quickly eliminate that inflammation and neutralize the infection. 4. Antiviral properties. If one suffers from a weak immune system, adding goldenseal to the daily or weekly health regimen can boost immunity and keep the respiratory and intestinal system clean. Prostate and vaginal infections can be particularly difficult and painful to treat, but it has long been used to treat sexually transmitted infections, such as gonorrhea. 5. Anthelmintic properties. Anthelmintic properties of goldenseal can help to starve the intestinal worms and cause them to die, where they will then be passed from the system via normal routes. Goldenseal also acts as a laxative, making this elimination even easier. 6. Boosts appetite. One's appetite can often suffer due to illness, injury, or trauma, causing more physical and psychological repercussions. Goldenseal has been linked to boosting appetite for generations. 7. Anti-allergy properties. Goldenseal powder can reduce inflammation of the mucous membranes and prevent severe allergic reactions by calming the nervous system. 8. Relieves fever. Goldenseal can effectively lower fevers and reduce the strain on the body during prolonged illnesses. 9. Detoxifying. Goldenseal can act as a laxative and hepatic substance, meaning that it helps to clean out the blood and detoxify the body. The liver and kidneys do a whole lot of work for us, and anything to make their jobs a bit easier is a good idea. The hepatic nature of goldenseal can help with circulation and reduce the risk of chronic blood-borne disease. Other uses. Tea can be brewed from the roots or leaves. Warnings. Little information is available on the safety of goldenseal taken alone. Goldenseal might be safe for most adults when taken by mouth in the short term. There is not enough reliable information to know if goldenseal is safe for long-term use. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should not use goldenseal, and it should not be given to infants. Berberine can cause or worsen jaundice in newborn infants and could lead to a life-threatening problem called kernicterus. Goldenseal may change the way your body processes many medications. If one's taking medication, consult a healthcare provider before using goldenseal.